Ever had a class break in 3 different places when you changed one thing? That's what happens when you violate the single responsibility principle. The single responsibility principle states that a class should have only one reason to change. In other words, each class should have exactly one job or responsibility. If you need to modify a class for multiple different reasons, that's a red flag that it's doing too much. Here's a bad example. This employee class handles business logic, database operations, and report generation all in one place. If we need to change how we save to the database, we risk breaking the salary calculation. If the report format changes, we're touching the same class again. 3 different reasons to change means 3 times the risk. Now here's the right way. We split those responsibilities into separate classes. The employee class focuses only on employee data and business logic. The employee repository handles database operations. The employee report generator creates reports. Now each class has exactly one reason to change, and changes are isolated. Why does this matter? Code following SRP is easier to test because each class has a narrow focus. It's easier to maintain because changes are localized. And it reduces coupling between different parts of your system. By the way, the S in SOLID stands for single responsibility, coined by Uncle Bob, Robert Martin. Remember, one class, one job, one reason to change. That's the single responsibility principle. Practice this in your next code review and watch your architecture improve. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.